Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Mazda flip key or transponder key used for different years, different models, very common one. Pretty easy. The battery you will need is a CR1620 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Small screwdriver, flathead, pretty easy. So first we have to open the key. Okay, now right here there is a small gap right here, okay, and you have to push it down, to push it and down, and then what will happen, it will separate the two parts. Okay, this is basically what we pushed right here. Okay, it may not be on the first attempt, but you just push and pull down. Okay, let me show you once again. Right here you will see it. It's kind of hard right now, but here it is. Okay, so I push and down, and then it separates the two parts. Now all we have to do is to take this cover off. Okay, do it gently. I put the screwdriver inside and I pull up a little bit gently. Okay, no need to apply a lot of pressure and it will come out. This is the transponder part, you don't want to touch that. Now, here is the battery. I'll take the screwdriver underneath, and as I mentioned before, CR1620, okay? This is a good battery, so I will use it again. Face down, I press to make sure that it's tight. Take the other part. You can see that it works. Now all we have to do is just to tighten everything. And that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you're saying. Thank you.